Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe today and join the family. So today I thought I would just show you guys a little back to school supplies vlog slash haul. I feel like these videos are always so fun to make every year and to watch. So I'm really excited. Also, I am a little nervous because A, I'm alone and I'm kind of nervous to vlog inside, and B, there seems to be a lot of people in the parking lot. So we'll see how this goes, but either way it's going to be really fun. I'm excited to buy new cute notebooks and pens and pencils and folders. Those are always like my favorite parts of going back to school. That's always been my favorite part. So yeah, why don't we just get started and go inside, and I will show you guys probably what I end up like buying at the end of the video, and I'll do the haul in my car. So yeah, let's just go. So the first thing I'm going to get is just a little whiteout because I always write with pen and I'm always messing up. So I figured a whiteout would be good. I don't know if you can hear me through my mask. I think I also need to get a folder. I usually always get like the UB ones. These are only $1.99. Maybe I'll get... what color should I get? We'll just get a blue one. This one looks cute. Put that in there. I used to always get binders in high school. Those are like the thing to get. And also I used to always get dividers. These are like such a big thing in high school. Ooh, these are so cute. These are like little clipboards, and I think they come with a little planner. This is actually really cute. See, maybe I'll get a notebook. Usually like the 5-star college ruled. Those are like my favorite because I like the spirals. So let's see, how many subjects is this? 3 subject. Kind of just want a regular notebook. So I think I found the notebook that I want. It's just a white one and it's a 1 subject college ruled, so I think we'll get this one. I feel like you can never go wrong with some index cards. They're only 49 cents, so I'm gonna get one of these. And I kind of need a stapler as well, so I might get one of these staplers. It's only $2.99. It'll come in handy. I always need a stapler. So I also want some Post-its, but I don't need like this many. Let's see. Yeah, I don't need this many. They also have these calendars, which I might get. It was only $5. I think this one's pretty cute. I can track how many days I go to the gym, so this will be amazing. Get that. And then they also have these planners, which are a lot cheaper. I think this one's really cute, and this one, I love a little floral moment. And this one is also really cute. It matches my nails pretty cute, I think. So yeah. And they also have these amazing like folders, like file folders, if you guys need any. These would be so helpful. But I'm not taking like too many classes, so it's fine. I also think these notebooks are super cute. Like this one is so cute, but I don't really journal. And this planner is adorable. I love little blues. Honestly, this looks really cute. Super cute. And pastel. This one is also really cute. I love this one. But I don't think I really need a planner because I have a digital planner on my iPad, so don't think I'll get a planner this year. I do kind of want a calendar though. Here are the calendars I'm looking at. This whole section is so cute. I also think these planners are so amazing. I've always wanted like a huge planner, but it's kind of expensive, like $39 for a planner. It's kind of a lot. But I think these ones are nice. It's a wall calendar. Start each day with a grateful heart. We'll have to think on those. Alrighty everyone, so we are back in the car. I'm sorry I didn't get a ton of footage while I was in there. Again, it was just kind of awkward because I felt like everyone was staring at me and there were so many workers at the like aisles I was in. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. I didn't get too much just because I already have like pens and stuff like that that I normally like to use at home already. So I didn't really find the need to like buy them again, but here we go. I first got the little calendar because I've always wanted a little wall calendar. I can track the days I work out, I can track important dates, so I'm really excited about this. This is so cute. I think it's adorable. And then I got this 5-star 1 subject college ruled notebook. I love the white color, and plus like I don't really like the ones with multiple subjects just because I feel like sometimes I run out of room and then it like gets jumbled up in all the notes. So I like to get one ruled, and I got like 2 of those. And then I got this UB pocket folder, little folder, and this one says that this folder donates 1 item to a US classroom in need when you buy one, so that's really nice. And then I got, these are so cute, I'm really excited about this. This is the Pastel Highlighters. They're supposed to be like erasable too, which I think is really interesting, but I love that they're pastel colors. I think it's so cute. And then it's really hot in here. I got some index notes, or index cards, that's what they're called, and these are so cheap. These are literally 50 cents, and so I got a few of these because you can never have too many index cards, in my opinion. And then I got these Bic extra sparkle mechanical pencils. When like if we ever have real class again, we usually need a pencil to take our quizzes and our exams. So I got this. It's number 2. It's a number 2 pencil as well, which is what you need. And then I got this little whiteout fluid thingy because honestly I always need whiteout and I never have it, and I really need to just buy it honestly because I always mess up my notes and then it looks like scribbly. So I'm really happy that I got this. It was pretty inexpensive. And then I got this little stapler because I really needed this since like freshman year, but I was too cheap to buy it, so I finally decided to just buy one. It was literally $2, so if you guys are going to college, definitely get your own stapler. Trust me, there's so many days where like I forget to staple my thing in the library and my thing is not stapled and I have to like fold the edge of it, which just does not look nice. And then last thing I got, I just got some more foundation because I was honestly running out today. So those are all of the goodies that I got. I'm really excited about the highlighters because those are going to be so amazing. I guess I'll show you guys what they look like, maybe if I do like a vlog or something, because I honestly am probably going to use all this stuff for my class that I'm taking this summer. But yeah, now that that's all in there. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video today. I had a ton of fun filming it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would seriously mean so much to me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!